All right, so we have this question here. It says x divided by 5 plus y divided by 3 is less than 1. So the first thing you always want to do is just graph this as if it were a line. So I'm just going to change that to an equal sign. So this is really just going to become x divided by 5 plus y divided by 3 equals 1. Now I want to get rid of these denominators before I do anything else. So I'm going to multiply this entire equation by something that will get rid of the 5 and the 3. So I'm going to multiply this by the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3, or 15. So I'll distribute that 15 to every single term in the equation. So I have 15x over 5 plus 15y over 3 equals 15. Now these should reduce nice for us. So this is 15 divided by 5, which is 3x, plus 15 divided by 3, which is 5y, equals 15. All right, so I have an equation in standard form. So I'm going to graph this by using intercepts. So if I want to find the x-intercept, that's what I get when I let y be 0. So I'm going to plug in 0 for y. I get 3x plus 5 times 0 equals 15. So this is just going to drop off. So I'm left with 3x equals 15. Dividing both sides by 3, I get x equals 5. Now my y-intercept. Same thing but backwards. I'm going to let x be 0. Solve for y. Plugging in 0 for x, I get 3 times 0, which is 0, plus 5y equals 15. Whoops. Dividing both sides by 5, I'm going to get y equals 3. So my y-intercept is 0, 3. So I'm going to graph these 2 points, 0, 5. Oops, sorry. Not 0, 5. 5, 0, which is my x-intercept, and 0, 3. Now I'm going to connect them, but since I have just less than, I'm going to connect them with a dotted line. Like so. From here, boom, up to that, boom. So now I have to figure out, am I shading the bottom underneath this or on top of this? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the origin, because that's a nice convenient point. I'm going to test 0, 0. And see if that works in my equation. I get 0 divided by 5 plus 0 divided by 3. Is that less than 1? Well, 0 over 5 is 0. 0 over 3 is 0. I'm left with 0 is less than 1. This is a true statement. Okay, so that means when I plug in the origin, I get a true statement. So this must be the correct side of the line for my inequality, the points underneath the line. So if 0, 0 works, I'm going to shade the 0, 0 side. So my answer is going to look like this. So to do that on my math, I'm just going to select the dotted line. I'll show you real quick. The dotted line first. I'm going to graph my intercepts, 5, 0 and 0, 3. Try to get rid on there. Like that. And then shade the side that the origin is on. Boom, just like that. And that is going to be your answer.